No offering goes to heaven.
Wewe ndio tunakuchunga sana, njoo hapa. Wewe ndio Noa, tunaenda na wewe huko. Hapa kuja kwa hapa ndio utakuongeza hapo. Njoo ukae hapa sasa, njoo hapa. Umesahau mwenyewe sasa.
What's up, Benjamin? I'm doing setup, bro. I'm doing a setup. Yeah, Josh McDonald. Yes, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can play for you. If you are ready, I can play for you. Don't worry. Give me the name. I want the name. I want the name Josh McDonald. What's happening? Hello, Josh. Are you watching or you have gone? Are you watching or you have gone? Okay. So you are the one with the birthday or another guy? Josh, are you the one with the birthday? Are you the one? I want to know you are the one with the birthday. Okay, let me play for you. I'm playing for you. Let me play for you now. Just 1 minute. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Holy Jingani Tomari. Holy Jingani Tomari. Happy birthday to you. McDonald. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Are you? How old are you? Are you? Happy birthday to you, Joshi. Ayo! Happy birthday to you, Joshi. Ori jengani tomari. Ori jengani tomari. Olem Joshi McDonald. Can you dance nyatiti? We gonna jam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yoshio. How old are you now? How old are you? Are you? Tunaimba kuchoma. Tunaimba kuchoma. Na kuchoma. Josh McDonald. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you now? How old are you? Are you? How old are you, Josh McDonald? Thank you so much for clapping, Josh McDonald. How old are you now? Tell me how old you are.
Let's see any. How old are you, Josh? What's happening? What's happening? I don't understand, guys. I don't understand. Guys, I'm trying to. Yeah, guys, it's a vibe, morning, evening vibe with Nyatiti, guys. Oh, what's happening today with my... Let me exit, I see.
No.
Guys, thanks so much. My name is Kentmugenda. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also watch. Also, you can support. But I really appreciate your time, guys, because this is one of the wonderful time, guys, being with you. Charlie Bay. How are you, Charlie? What fresh, bro?
Charlie Bay, Shelly Bay, Namero Charlie Mamai, Charlie, believe in your mother. Ayo, ha ha, Charlie Mamai. Agora tu mama pinhe maru mamai bilé deixa-lhe bem vinha ayo ha ha ai se já-lhe bem bilé não se deva bilé o venha que digo gato Openha que digo gato ayo bueno ya Weo Peruana Ay Omera Vice President Omera there's a vibe Tingene vibe nya kawabu mangeng Numita bisu bundotu Ye baba bundotu President Konana Goneto Ha ha Kajaku iraninyal Ayo Osango baba bundotu I see Papa Have you seen Shelly Berry? Kangonya titi maradier. Ayo, kangonya titi maradier. Ayo, Papa Basso in the vibe. Also remember to subscribe. Nio Damilui. What's her name? Mercy. No Mercy, Mama, can you dance? Ayo. Well, no Mercy. If you see Mercy, my brother, she's more beauty without makeup. Subscribe on YouTube, Mercy. He's called kentmugenda. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I see Tammy Louie also in the vibe. Tammy Louie also in the vibe. Tammy Louie also in the vibe. Guys, keep on watching. Today I have some package, traditional package, guys, of nyatiti. I really appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching, just keep on watching. Yeah. Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A Mugenda. TikTok, YouTube. I see Queen Berlin. Ayo! Dolph also in the vibe. Dolbika. Nyaro this year. Kev also in the vibe. How are you, Nyaro this? Diane also in the vibe. When you can eat Daniela. Babo Basos in the when you can nick a lot. I see Nyaro this. Ayo! Judy also in the vibe. Samia! Samia, Samia, Mama JJ, nothing novena, Samuel, oh my, 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 when you can make a long ago. And also remember my Daniel. Is a nyatiti vibe. Miss Makani. Oh, Baba. Do you remember? Can you believe Baba? Can you remember back in Kanyamuli? We still love you. We still love you. Tulicheza ngoma. Nyarodis, you watch your rango. Aye. Daniela, when are you coming back? Aye. Can you dance? Yeah, can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Tommy, where's the Queen Balu? When you can love them. Oh my, Galum, Galum. Hello, Nyaje. Aramine, Nikiyo, Aramine. Have you seen Daniela? Yeah, there's a guy who want to say hi here. Say hi to my guys by the time I'm taking water. The legend, Maka Mugenda. Maka. Yeah, guys. Say hi and they have to follow you also.
Yeah, neighborhood druggist. Oh, no socials.
Thanks so much, guys. Greetings, Zeti. Beautiful Zeti. Which country are you from? Yeah, we are here with a friend. Just keep on watching my Maka Mugenda. For those who are watching on YouTube, I'm really sorry. I have to reach out. From I'm from Nyarodis. I'm from US too. Nyarodis. Guys, let me sing to Nyarodis one song. Nyarodis, one song. Yawa. Are you ready for that?
We don't have dollars, but we have.
Hey, Omera, see this guy is killing me with something here very special. Omera, put it here so that they can see. Yeah, you see this guy is tipping me, guys. No, put it here.
Oh, there's a door here. I didn't see it. Yeah? Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the artist you can appreciate. Maka, need you send me your number.
It's not opening.
And send you something. Okay.
You don't want the money?
No, then put it here. Okay, my number is 07. Is in the screen. 0720.
See you around, bro.
Thank you so much. 0720 15 9271. 0720 15 9271. I need to send me your number or I send you something. Yeah, Daniel. My number is there in the screen, bro. Nyarodisa. Ayo. Nyarodis mama Yamero ndongalu omita bendivi Daniela also the one. Well, no, mama, ay, nyaro this, ay, nyaro this. Ya vero da US, ayo. Ya vero da US, uba palo. Daniel Lunga Venga. Have you seen nyaro this? Anya on this story. Anya on this story. Nyaro this, she's a loo. Ay, nyaro this, she's a loo. Nyaro diambo, she's a loo. Lota hovo diambo ma. Lota hovo diambo. Shayo! Taki orumanja. Ha ha. Zeti want ban piena. Ha ha ha. Nia. Tina boni tu mama. Ay, nyaro this. Deluja over this. Deluja over this. Deluja over this. Uma wala nyatini onisore. Nusura me be. The daughter of this is she's more beautiful without makeup or mera. Ha ha ha. Ay. Wala dani. Bendi no nyaro this. Ay, bendi no nyaro this. Ya ver $1. Doko se $1. Ay, mama $1. Ay, $1. Well, no $1. Ay, ha ha ha. Niñaro this anga don't do ma ya tumu kono de. Niñaro this anga don't do ma ninja. Hello. I know this is also on the vibe, guys. Take my number, guys, if you want to send me a tip. My number is there, 0720. Jamoko. Thank you for sharing your love. 0720 15 9271. Nyaro this or nada la Kenya Tewa. 0720 15 9271. That's my Kenyan number. Also, if you want PayPal, I can give you. This guy is called my brother from. Who is this guy? Daniela, I think my number is there. It's visible. Anyone can see my number. Yeah, my number is there. Hi, Lisa. Okay, send money. Send me money. Yaro this in hello number no? Yes, you can. Yaro this in hello number no? Now, I wanna give you a vibe, guys. Let's continue the vibe, man. It's Makamugenda. I really appreciate your time. Yaro this in hello number no? Kentmugenda. That's my name. Anene ba. Daniela Karataga. Let's continue. Young Magonga Nyatiti Amba Junior. Hello. Yakwajamo Bondo Tuma. Nyaro this Bondo Tuma. I see Nyaro this. I need somebody, Magaye. I need somebody, my brother. Zeti. Have you seen them from Jangota? We are. Ya better get na dollar. Hello. I need somebody, Magaye. Anabenda, hello, Anabenda, iyo, ayo, Zabinans, I need some more tenga. Hello, mama, hello, ba, hallelujah. I see my brother Danny. Have you seen Daniela? I see Danny. I'm a Juni. Can you dance it? Can you dance it? Everyone on the floor, can you dance it? Can you dance? Can you dance? Aye, can you dance? Can you? Aye, Lily. My name is kentmugenda, guys. Someone with a gun, someone with a lion. Keep on watching. My name is kentmugenda. You can subscribe on YouTube. Is my. We want to dance manual, please. Nyaro this arito dollar ni hawa. Arito dollar ni. Let me take water, guys. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. My name is kentmugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. I'm giving you a live stream from Diani Beach. This is one of the special nyatiti traditional instrument. Yeah, there's a lady who asked me one song here, say Ban Piende. I don't know the name, but the lady asked me that song. That's a song of yeah, nyaro this. Kawuna do madusu tinyatewa. Kasuri. Original version is for Macadam. Ayo! Yazi. I'm in Diani. I'm in Congo Big. Yeah. Have you seen the beautiful lady? Nyaro this. I see my brother Daniela Cardio. Ya ber arito dollar, nyaro this, arito dollar. Hello. I see a kid. When you look at you know she was born late in the night. Hey. Her mother was a proud woman, she was singing. Hey. Her mother was a proud woman, she was. Her father was a tough man. Her father was a tough black. Manu biende, aye, manu biende, manu umwa, manu biende, aye, dola sachiela, al Kenya nyere, adi oro dola sachiel, orina bano nyatewa. Chamungoma, yawa chamungoma, ero chamungoma. Hey, I see my guy also on the mind. Are you dancing? Are you jamming? Hello, are you jamming? I see my brother from Ethiopia. There's an instrument by the name Kira. Are you chipping? Ana jugua, ana weka. Hey, Amera. Apengi in America kusini Kenya. Thank you so much, my guys. My name is kentmugenda. Much appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching, this is a vibe morning, evening vibe with nyatiti. The instrument is low traditional instrument from western part of Kenya, guys. Just keep on watching, and also remember to tap. Caro, how are you? This is one of the very special vibe, guys. Let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Bagi oro dola aheri nyeri. Bagi oro dola aheri nyeri. Omera, in Kenya cause in US, Omera. Why are you confusing me? I'm really sorry, Alex. Basubi. I do traditional music. I don't do modern song. That's the main reason why I put on this regalia. Magia. Ayo. Lisa. Hey. Lisa more. Magi. Ayo. Magi. Lisa. The boy. Lisa. Magilo. Lisa. Where's Lisa? Where are living Lisa? Ayo. Tommy. Where's Tommy Louis? No, Maggie Louis. Ayo. Some baby got it. Can you dance it? Peter Kanyama. Can you dance it? Can you dance it? Everyone in the vibe. Can you dance it? Yeah. Where's this beautiful lady by the name Lisa? Ayo. Some baby got it. Tommy. Papo, are you jamming? Can you daddy? Ayo! Nyado this, ay, ni jamuto. Ha ha! Ni nyado this, hello! Nani dancing? Scottish Ambre! Empress also the bar. Can you dalo? Where have you been, Scottish abroad? Can you shake your bum? Can you shake your bum? Ayo! Can you dalo? I forgot to tell you one thing, guys. I really appreciate your time. I have a YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe on YouTube. It's Maka Mugenda. I forgot to tell you that. Also, you can tip through PayPal or mpesa if you like the vibe. You can support. mpesa number is there. PayPal, you can just DM me. I'll send you my PayPal. Also, guys, remember to subscribe on YouTube. It's Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. That is one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. Let's continue with the vibe, guys. Much appreciate. Let's continue, Jawa. Montemo. Polotech. Someone with a gun, please. Let's continue. Now. Aye. There's a guy by the name Nicholas Woodmama, the son of my mother. Aye. Aniki, if you want to seduce a lady, you have to compare her with her mother. When you find her mother is ugly, you can look her grandmother, man. When you find her grandmother is the same, you have to drink alcohol. to stop that depression, no matter. I see some people are watching Daisy. Emma is watching. I see Chuma. SJ Investment also the vibe. Chuma ya kisasa. Ya kisasa. Ya kisasa. Chuma ya kisasa. Niko. Ololo makai. Wezembraso. Ololo jangoma. Lia. Oh mama, Sabaka. Aye, una wale. Oh, aye, they were fun. Aye, they were pretty. Aye, Naruti. Murad. Where's Emma? Naruti jumping woman. Oh, Bonnie. Ogamba chi bulungi. Oh, Bonnie. Tami Louis. Aye. Tami Louis. Ha. Tami. Aramzi. Nigo Baba. Ha. Guys, guys, you have to clap for me, guys. You can clap with anything you have. Nangomera Emma Manuel Launa nade nyaro this Nyasia County Gavere manadi Yamta. Yeah, guys, thanks so much, my guys. Mel also in the vibe, Benato bro. Papillon, Mel, saw you. Hey, Mel, you saw me. It's me now. It's me now. Thank you so much. If you saw me, that's me. Guys, subscribe on YouTube. My name is kentmugenda. You can support the live through mpesa or PayPal. mpesa number is there. And also remember to subscribe. Omara. Ayo. Lakini nyonyo no tumre no kunyo megi jaloka. Aye. I see Johnny. Johnny Baba. Sina. I just see Sina passing. So I told you never. Yomo atero ne konde anwaro mondo akende. Abdulia. Lakini nyonyo no tumre no kugeme gijaloka. Ayo tamino. Oh kuna City Paido Garewadi Kisumo. Ayo! MC Fuliza. MC Fuliza. I really appreciate it. I really like the name. I really like the name, guys. I much appreciate. Keep on watching. I see Nango. Someone is greeting me. Nango is not a greeting. Manyagi. On YouTube, Makamugenda, Papolvas. Hey, thank you so much for subscription, man. Thank you so much for subscription. I really appreciate, guys, that subscription. I just want to. Mel, did you? I think we meet in Lagoon, Mel. I don't know, Mel. Are you still there watching? Yeah. Nana from Ghana. Nana. Ofeyu Budu. Nana. Ayo. My Ayo, from Ghana. Even send Magawe, why you watch Mako? How are you, Ebian? I'll do. Okay. Nana. Oh, you are no Magadala. Nagunya Didia. Alegozia. Tommy Louis. Alegozia. Ayo. Avalanche. England. England. Nana. I don't know. Ayo. I don't know. Love Vonaterios on the way. Yeah, people. Young Maya. Ayo. Wait. Dakugonga head. Ayo. I don't wanna hear something now. I don't know. Is it that? Yaro, this is how I don't wanna hear something. You see that was on the one. That's on me. Nyaro diambo. Jambo. Mama kona gaya. Mugenda ofwenya jambo. Because send the vibe, guys. Keep on watching my Mugenda. I really appreciate your time, guys. Everyone is watching. I see Dina Kalando. This is greeting from Ghana. Nana Orfel. Oh, thank you so much, Tommy Louis, also watching. I really appreciate your love. Keep on watching when it's Mugenda. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. Yeah, you can support love. Love flow. You can support the live through PayPal or mpesa number. That's it, guys. Keep on watching. I really appreciate your time. I see Tommy, hey Tommy Louis. Also, you are in YouTube. Thanks so much for following on YouTube. I'm really happy to see Tommy Louis watching on YouTube, guys. Keep on watching. Sherry also in the vibe. Let's continue the vibe. Zida. Impulse also in the mind. Zida, Tamilo, thank you so much for joining YouTube. Zida. Anagongo Zida. It's your job. You don't know that. Izina makaenda marudalawa kushie. Oziba mama ji ya mama ji. Unakumbuka nani? Love flows in the vibe. The money give our so you the Vicky Nyaro diamo Kulemuna Mwala se Kulemuna danse Scottish Amel Aye mama Aye mama Franco's on the vibe, guys. Please. Thank you so much for clapping, but it's not a show. It's not a show, it's a vibe, guys. You have to some people tell me I have to sing. I have to vibe. I don't have to sing, guys. Thank you so much. Jemomoise. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, guys. Keep on watching Loe. Also in the vibe, I say. Oh, some people have beautiful faces are watching on YouTube. My name is Mugenda. Kinyore. Hey, nyaro this. Arito Gino ball. Arito Gino. Kikegoya Dasta. Yeah, let's continue with the vibe, guys. Yeah, let me stop. I'll listen while you're getting ready. Tommy Louis for work. Okay, I have to just 1 minute. Tommy. Yeah, let me change the camera. Yeah, let me change the camera. Okay. I see there's a beautiful lady who told me uko wapi agombo katabiro miel luo kitu agitimbe omera anam chumbi uli mwanangu I'm somewhere where people say vipi mwanangu. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Yeah, right now back to the truth. Daniel, you can just ask your question. Mama Gigi. I'm Jumbi. I'm in Namchumbi. Back to roots. Yeah. We have a machine. Engineer Victor. Yeah, yakono belong marade. Yeah, yeah, yakono belong marade. That lady with the white rose. Aye, that lady with the white rose. Have you seen that lady? That lady with the Gulamuna. Gulamuna. Brenda. Aye, Brenda. Gulamuna. I sing Yarodi. Yeah, love it, God. Yeah, yakono maradi. Ha ha ha. Adiore manejiro. Yeah, come long ma ado. Hey hey. Ibang may ngato jual apa deh? Chifogwang. There's a one guy here with a nice name, Chifogwang. Tycoon. How are you, Tycoon? Chifogwang also watching, my guys. Hey, that's a great name, bro. Chief. Hey, today I just see my chiefs. Chifogwang, Chifulo, Chifudang. Ay. Papol. Dr. Lenny. Scottish Bros. Coco de Nolan, Coco Daddy. Dr. Lenny. I see Dr. Lenny. Hey! Oh, Dr. Number One. Oh, Dr. Lenny. Oh! And now in your Kalongo, Wajoni, Mari Makanate. Aye, Dr. Victor Lenny, Dr. Number One. Aye, Molly Sodema. Inela winyo kajanongo wajoni mari makanate. Ore Lenny, Dr. Number One. Aye, I wanna give you therapy, Lenny. Are you ready for the therapy? I wanna jump with you, Linda Christine. Lenny, Dr. Number One. Scottish Have you seen Lenny? Let me tell you something. For those who love you, you should love them more. Aye, you should love them. Jura! for those who pray for you. Dr. Lenny, I must pray for them. Hey, Dr. Number One, nyatiti, Anna, Baba, my God bless Doctor. You know you are the second God. You are the third God. Sergeant. Lenny Doctor Number One. Lenny Doctor Number One. If you refuse to accept Lenny as a first doctor, please live my life. Oh, guys, thank you so much. My name is Kentmugenda. This is a play. I play traditional instrument. The instrument I play is called nyatiti, one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya, guys. I much appreciate. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also, you can support through PayPal or mpesa. Mpesa number is there. 0720 159271. If you like the vibe, let's continue. I wanna give one song to. I know everyone has an ex. There's a lady. One of my ex is called Anna. Yeah, Anna. Her father was a native doctor. Agora Majikudo Soga Aya Ay Zani Anna oh Anna Gole mtoto wa muganga Sanie mtoto wa muganga our father native doctor yeah a mother night runner Anna oh Anna Anna mtoto wa muganga amependa mwana muziki Sunny on the vibe abusing Anna Doctor my brother did you treat Anna did you treat Anna Dr. Anna mtoto wa muganga amependa mwana muziki Ananiponiona kwa mara kwanza nilifurahi Anno kangeo ni mini maneringo bidi Tokidono kangeo ni wanu mare janawe mtoto wa muganga amependa mwana muziki let's go! I'm using Anna, my lover. Happy no when a beautiful Salima. Papo Basie, did you cariana? Papo Bas, did you cariana? Anna, oh Anna. Yeah, that's Anna. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. My Kentmugenda. I really appreciate it. Listen while sitting. Wow, that's great. Also, remember to subscribe on YouTube, guys, if you like the vibe. Much appreciate, guys. Walk with a beautiful salon also the vibe. My Kentmugenda playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the instrument. Musembi. Oh, na. Monte. Aramu Ramu. King of Boson Divide. How are you, Ramu? You are sweet. Romeo Agape. Agape Mama. Agape Mama. You are again. Ayo. Are you dancing, Angelina? Angelina. Romeo Mama. Agape. Royal Mutinda. Me a jam. Julieta. Julieta. Julieta Mama. Julieta Mama. Nikumaro nyempuno mera Joniera. Joniera. Ayo. Joniera. Agape. Ignaro di amo. I see you again in a jabe. And then message ya. And then mostly guys keep on watching. Is a blessing Makaka. Abraham. How are you, my brother? Nyano di amo. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, guys. Cizia, Julieta. Bruno, Shani Ismail Sandeva, Mr. Obedi, remember, it's a vibe. Ramuyawa, Yarobis, Yetroma, Bendin and Obe. Aye, Obedi, Obedi, when I'm singing Obedi, Mr. Big. Avi using Ati, Avi, Avi, Jamoma, Avi, Andrew, nyatiti. Aye, King Bossa. Come down, come over, come over, come over. Aye, Abarizen. You can just come, we dance together. Yeah. Obedi Mama, Obedi, Obedi, hello, Obedi Mayo, Obedi. Come this side, my dear. They wanna see a beautiful lady dancing. They wanna see a beautiful lady dancing. Can you tell me your name? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Jina. Ha? Jina. Jina. Can you dance? Jina. And then another lady, what's her name? What's the name of the other lady? Mama. Jinu anaweza. Nelimaya. Amepewa zote. Amepewa osiato. Amepewa kalungu. Amepewa nungu. Jimu mama. Alo. Kumbe anadimpo somera. Hey. Thank you so much. Guys, I have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Yeah, no, Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Maka, M-A-K-A. Let's continue. King Bansan. Let me give one King Bansan one song. Hey. King Mono. Hey. I see King Bansan. Walking out to my King Man, ha ha! I wanna see King Mazaro. I wanna see King Mazaro. Hello, I need the King Man. Ha ha! Dilo. Dr. Azan Lili anapenda ngoma yangu, anapenda ngoma yangu, iyo alini iyo kingmani iyo kanuna baby dance baby Julia baby bang baby ganga hey Obedi also in the vibe. Keep on watching. I really appreciate you. I see King Bansan also in the vibe, guys. Thank you so much. Sungu. Hi, King Bansan. I really appreciate your time, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. Just jamming with people, guys. I'm gonna make you happy. If you wanna be happy, this is a place where you're gonna be happy with Maka. Send you love, Maka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, King Bansan. You've been there for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate prosperity. This is the last song. Someone with a gun. Today I didn't get gun, guys. Yeah. If I say you coming from to dance with me, and I tell you to sing, oh, dance with me, Diana, Yaro Diambo, King of Dance. If I say, can you shake? No, God, I shake. Ha ha, Tamilui, my Makaye, Marumaya Yamoshe, Jonah, Eminina Rubaru, Eminina Wakawa, Rokia, Angela Danga, Angela Yawa, Anuda, Otama. Thank you so much, guys, for clapping. Everyone who's watching, thank you so much for clapping. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your time. My name is Maka Mugenda. Please subscribe on YouTube. You can send the gift also if you have. If you have, you can send the gift. If you don't have, thank you so much also for you watching Maka Mugenda. Go on YouTube, subscribe. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time. I play instrument called nyatiti, and right now my time is now getting late now. I don't have to continue because of time. Tomorrow morning, guys, I'll be streaming every day. Every day is a vibing day. But right now I want to move along, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe, watch. Yeah, you can also appreciate through mpesa number 0720159271, and also PayPal. If you ask, you just DM me, I'll give you. Also, for those who are watching on YouTube, that's the end of my live streaming. May God bless you. Asante sana. Good night. Thank you so much. Aya, irukamano, irukamano. Have a nice time. Have to leave. Nyarudiambo. Guys, have a nice time. That's the end of my Maka Mugenda. Let me move now. Muda mrefu unielezee nini mama yakwa pen unanga baba.
Customers come back with your friends. Please make sure you wait for recommendation.
Muda mrefu Jamila tuonani. Guys, thank you so much. I want to take you along the beach for a few minutes, guys, before we end the vibe. Location, Antonio. You want to see the location? Location is in Diani, bro. Yeah, thanks so much. Keep on watching this Diani beach. I'll be taking you along the way so you see how beautiful it's the beach, guys. For those who are watching, much appreciable. My name is Maka Mugenda. You see some whites. Yeah, kwa wale wanataka wasungu. Jakwa nyiri madwaro wasungu kuchua madwaro wasungu moti. They are available here, but you must know. You have to have something like qualification. Qualification of getting these people must there. Guys, thanks so much. I have to leave the vibe, guys. Thanks so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. That's the end of my streaming, guys. For those who are watching on TikTok, asante sana. I saw something like someone a month ago, pale Congo River Jioni, nikitoka about. Hey, Antonio, ni mimi bwana. It's me now. It's me. Yeah, it's me, Antonio. Yeah. It's me. Yes, it's me. Yeah. Guys, there's a big... I remember. Okay, that's me. Ni mimi. How can I... Bwana, hii inaitwa nyatiti baba. Yeah, nyatiti.
Unachapa nayo kazi.
Mimi nachapa nayo kazi. Kuna YouTube channel bro. Unaweza subscribe. Jina inaitwa Maka Mugenda. Maka is aka space Mugenda. Ama nikugusie kitu kidogo tu. Nikugusie tu kidogo tu.
Nini sawa iko tu jonjo. Lakini mimi unajua sijabeba cash bwana.
Sasa si unaweza nitip tu na mpesa bwana.
Ndio hiyo hata simu sina sasa.
How can you work without phone?
I've left the gadget.
What are you saying, Omera? What are you saying, man?
The gadget is inside somewhere, man.
Okay, no problem. Let me just continue the streaming, guys. Thanks so much. No worry. Are you from where, boy?
Yeah?
Are you from which? Where?
I am from where there is a lot of rain. In the bathroom of God.
Where is that?
Western part.
Western, are you from Kakamega?
Oh, other side.
Okay. No worry, guys. Keep on watching. Just put down your comment. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'll be just streaming with you along. Show you how beautiful is the beach, guys. That's a very special evening now. You see there's some... Adisa ako wapi bwana? Adisa ako wapi?
Kuna shida. Yeah, thanks so much, my guys. I'll just take you along the beach, guys. Also, you see how beautiful is the beach. Some few seconds, and also leave. Yeah, put down your comment, please. If you are watching and you are enjoying, please put down your comment. You have to put down your comment, guys. Hey, yeah, you're so much. Okay, so Justin, live life was better. Area. Mera hera gadi. Mera hera gadi no abe aviji hera gadi. My brother Hamram Lagdan was sharing live and channel. Just subscribe. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that as you said. Why can't I deny you? I'll just do it. I'll just do it. No worry in Africa, bro. Host is this Mombasa. Yes. Yeah, this is Mombasa. Yeah, this is Mombasa. But it's another side of the coastal. It's Indiani, bro. It's Indiani, yeah. Yeah, the other side of Diani. North coast. This is North coast. I think you understand. Yeah, guys, just keep on watching. Which side? The other side of Western, on the other side of Diani. Diani is in Kwale County. Yeah. Jambo, bro. My name is Maka. On YouTube channel, you can follow, subscribe. Maka Mugenda, M-A-K-A Mugenda. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. You say, you have been there. I don't wanna go, bro. Acha kolade bwana. I don't get you bwana. I don't go I can't accept something like that, bro. I can't accept something like that. Just keep on watching. Jama tu elelekan. Yeah. So just keep on watching. Guys, now me. I am again. Yes. So you say you are a Kisian. Yeah, see how beautiful this is, guys. You are just enjoying. What they are just see how beautiful it is, guys. Yeah, I have to come back now and I have to leave, guys. Time is now getting late. I have no time, guys. Yes, I'll be leaving. Thanks so much. Have a nice time. That's the end of the picture. Have a nice time. Yeah. Excuse me, guys. Sorry to disturb you. Hi. My name is Maka. I do Afrofusion music. I have a YouTube channel, so in case you'll be online, follow, subscribe.
What's your name on YouTube?
Maka Mugenda.
I'll do that.
Thank you. Nikiwa kwa diamo. Hey bro. Hi, my name's Maka, bro. My name's Maka. Yeah. I'm a musician, bro. I have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe. Yeah. I'm from which country? From it.
So many coconuts.
You're from Italy.
It's Maka.
M-A-K-A. Space? No. There's no S. Maka. M-A-K-A.
Okay, so
M-U. The first one.
Maka Mugenda.
Yeah, Maka Mugenda. If you subscribe,
I need to check.
but you can check. You can see yourself here. I'm in the live now.
I don't have a lot of internet. I'm sorry, but
okay.
I will check it for sure.
Okay, thank you so much. Can I play for you something?
Huh?
Can I play for you? Thank you. Ojo za makoro. Guys. I much love, guys. Much love. I really appreciate you guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. This is one of the vibe along the beach, guys. Just keep on watching. This is Maka is M-A-K-A space. I much appreciate. Yeah, just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Woodpa. What's the meaning of woodpa? Yeah, just keep on watching. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. Keep on watching. Right now, I have to leave, guys, because of time. Naja, bro. Eh, wachane. Sema bwana. Ndio bwana. Thanks. Baba. So. Been trying this YouTube every day and then, guys. Yeah, guys, this is Diani, and right now you see this how beautiful is the place, guys. And there's a lot of people now. They are from all sides. I really much appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching, my name is Maka Mugenda. Yeah, this Diani beach. Diani is in Kenya. Yeah, for those who are watching, Diani is in Kenya. Right now it's late. Even you can't see my face. You will just see my teeth. Yeah, but I really appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching. Yeah, this is how it is. You see, there's a something like a bonfire here. You see, this bonfire in Africa, guys. So just put down your comment. You can ask any question, and I'll be able to answer your question as you ask. Yeah, this is Diane, guys. Just keep on watching. I remain with a few minutes. I'll be streaming along. I'll stop streaming along, guys. Yeah, this is how it is. Just keep on watching. My name is Maka. So this is how it is. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I have to leave, guys, because there's a lot of copyright here, and I will not continue the streaming because there's a lot of copyright here. Yeah. This is how it is, guys. And there's some collecting some things. Bwana, mimi ulinipigia na nikafika na sijapata mtu bwana. Angoa. Very well. Stop walling. Yeah, just keep on watching. Almost. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Mark. Let me stop now. I was in